Do you need a water heater replacement? Based on the manufacturer's suggested service life, the life expectancy of a water heater is about 8 to 12 years. That estimate varies with the location and design of the unit, quality of the installation, maintenance schedule, and water quality. If your water heater is more than 10 years old, leaks around the base of the tank, or works erratically, it's probably time for a replacement. Swanson Plumbing Services in Green Valley, Arizona will discuss the pros and cons of different types of water heaters. Whether you are repairing or replacing an old water heater or installing a new one to improve your home's energy efficiency, tankless water heaters will help to reduce your utility costs. In addition, we can install electric hot water heaters and gas hot water heaters. You can save up to 16,000 gallons a year with reliable hot water, conserving water and saving time. Call 520-399-6290 to discuss your water heater needs.